Welcome to this quick demonstration video of the Inverter AC 5-in-1 remote control. In the next few minutes, we'll look at the different features of the remote and how you can use them with ease. Let's start with the display. It's a neat, circular screen with all the icons placed around the edge. Right at the center, you will see the set temperature, bold and clear. If you imagine a line down the middle of the screen, you'll notice something interesting. The mode icons like cool, dry or fan are all on the left, and the air-related icons like fan speed, swing are on the right. Now, just below the display, you will find the main power button right in the center. And around it, in a circle, are the fan speed, temperature, up-down and swing buttons. Everything's placed for quick and easy access. Let's start with the power button. It's right in the center, big and easy to spot. Just press it once to turn the AC on. Press it again to turn it off. Around the power button, you will find the up and down buttons. These let you adjust the temperature the way you like it. Want it a bit warmer? Press the up button. It'll increase the temperature by 1 degree. Feeling too warm? Press the down button. It will drop the temperature by 1 degree. Nice and easy, right? Now let's talk about the mode button. Your AC can run in 4 different modes: AI Pro mode, cool mode, dry mode and fan mode. To switch between them, just press the mode button. Each press cycles through the options AI Pro, Cool, Dry, then Fan. Once you land on the mode you want, simply stop pressing. Just a heads up, in AI Pro, Cool and Dry modes, you can set the temperature anywhere between 16 to 30 degrees Celsius. Let's take a quick look at what each mode does. AI Pro mode. This one is super smart. The moment you turn on AI Pro mode, the AC starts checking the room and even the outside temperature. Based on that, it automatically adjusts the cooling and fan speed to give you the most comfortable experience. Once your room hits the desired temperature, it keeps fine-tuning the fan to maintain the perfect chill while saving energy too. So, you get comfort, faster cooling and efficiency all at once. Cool mode. This is your go-to for hot days. Just set the temperature you want and you are all set. You can also adjust the fan speed separately. So if the room's already cool, but you want more airflow, just turn up the fan. And yes, there's a shortcut too. Just press the cool button on the remote and you are instantly in cool mode. Dry mode. When the air feels sticky or humid, dry mode's your friend. It doesn't just cool, it also pulls out the extra moisture in the air, making the room feel a lot more comfortable, especially in coastal or rainy areas. Just set your temperature and the AC does the rest. One thing to note, fan speed is fixed in this mode. Fan mode. Don't need cooling but still want some airflow? Go for fan mode. In this mode, the compressor stays off, so there is no cooling, just a steady breeze. You can adjust the fan speed depending on what feels right. And if you are wondering how to do that, don't worry. We are covering fan speed in the next section. Fan button. Let's check out the fan button now. When your AC is in auto mode, it takes care of the fan speed all by itself. But in other modes like cool or fan mode, you get to choose. You can set the fan speed as per your need. Just press the fan button to cycle through the options. Each press moves to the next speed from low, medium, high, turbo, and then back to auto. Pick the one that works best for you and enjoy the breeze. Airflow direction. Now let's talk about airflow direction. Your remote has two swing buttons, one for vertical swing and the other for horizontal swing. These help direct the air from the indoor unit just the way you want it. Want the cool air to move up and down? Just press the vertical swing button. This gets the horizontal loop moving, spreading the air evenly across the room from top to bottom. Press it again to stop the swing at any angle you prefer or to turn it off completely. Now, if you want the air to move side to side, hit the horizontal swing button. The vertical loop will start oscillating, pushing air to the left and right for balanced cooling across the room. Again, press the button once more if you want to pause it at a certain angle or stop the swing. 5-in-1 convertible cooling. Let's look at one of the most flexible features of this AC, the 5-in-1 convertible cooling. The smart function lets you control the cooling capacity of your AC depending on how much cooling you actually need. So, instead of running the AC at full power all the time, you can scale it up or down right from your remote, saving energy and reducing your electricity bills. It works using two buttons, the 5-in-1 button and the turbo button. Let's break it down. Say you have got a 1.5 ton AC, but today is not too hot. Maybe it's cloudy outside. You don't need full power. With the 5-in-1 button, you can actually make your AC work like a 1 ton AC or even lower, depending on what you need. So how does it work? Each time you press the 5-in-1 button, it steps down the cooling. First press 100% capacity. Second press 80%. Third press 60%. Fourth press 40%. Fifth press back to normal or free run mode. It's that simple. This feature works only in cool mode. If you switch to any other mode, convertible cooling gets turned off automatically. But don't worry, turning the AC on or off using the power button or even using the timer won't affect the convertible cooling setting. It'll stay active until you change the mode manually. Turbo button. Now let's say you have just come home and it's really hot. You want the room cooled fast. That's where the turbo button comes in. Make sure the AC is in cool mode, then press the turbo button. Your AC instantly cranks everything up for maximum cooling. The temperature drops to 16 degrees Celsius, the fan speed jumps to turbo, and cooling kicks in at full blast. You'll even see HC on the indoor unit display and 110% on the remote screen. That's turbo cooling in action. You can switch off turbo mode anytime by pressing the turbo button again or turning off the AC. If you don't, no problem. The AC will automatically exit turbo mode after 20 minutes and go back to your regular settings. It's a great way to cool the room quickly without worrying about overuse. Sleep button. Getting ready to sleep? Just hit the sleep button while you are in cool mode. Here's what it does. The AC will gradually increase the temperature by 1 degree Celsius every hour for the first 2 hours, then hold it steady for the rest of the night. So, for example, if you start at 22 degrees Celsius at 10 pm, it'll go up to 23 degrees Celsius at 11, then 24 degrees Celsius at midnight, and stay there till morning. It's a smart way to keep you comfortable through the night while also saving energy. Timer. Want your AC to switch on or off automatically at a specific time? Just use the timer button. It's got both on timer and off timer features. To set the on timer, press the timer button once. The display will start blinking. That means it's ready for you to set the time. Use the up and down buttons to select when you want the AC to turn on automatically. After you stop pressing the buttons, the display blinks 5 times, then locks in your chosen time. To set the off timer, now press the timer button twice. Just like before, use the up and down buttons to set the time when you want the AC to turn off. Again, the display will blink 5 times and then confirm your setting. To cancel timer settings, press the timer button again to cancel the on timer and once more to cancel the off timer. When both are cleared, the remote goes back to showing the current time. Eco mode. Want to stay cool and save the electricity? That's where Eco mode comes in. Just make sure your AC is in cool mode, then press the Eco button on your remote. The AC will automatically set the temperature to 24 degrees Celsius and the fan speed to low, perfect for comfortable cooling with low energy use. To turn it off, just press the Eco button again. Eco mode will also turn off automatically if you switch off the AC or there's a power cut. Simple, smart and energy saving. Climate mode. Want to adjust your AC based on the weather outside? Just activate climate mode. It's designed for exactly that. To turn it on, press the mode and the Eco button together. There are 3 preset options to match different seasons, so your AC adjusts itself for the best comfort automatically. Here's how it works. When you press both the buttons for the first time, your AC switches to the monsoon preset, where mode is dry with the fan speed set to low and the temperature at 24 degrees Celsius. Perfect for those humid and sticky days. Press mode and Eco buttons simultaneously for the second and you will activate the autumn preset. This one uses cool mode with medium fan speed and a comfy 26 degrees Celsius temperature. Just right for mild, breezy weather. Hit both the buttons third time and you are in summer preset. Also on cool mode, but now the fan speed cranks up to turbo and the temperature drops to 24 degrees Celsius. Great for those blazing hot days when you want quick, powerful cooling. Want to exit climate mode? Just press both the buttons simultaneously for 4th time and your AC goes back to the settings you were using earlier. So whether it's humid, pleasant or scorching outside, climate mode has you covered with just a few clicks. Mute. Don't want to hear beeps every time you press a button? Just press and hold the display button to mute the buzzer sound. When mute is active, you will see a mute icon on the remote screen and your AC will stay silent no matter which button you press. Want the sound back? Just press and hold the display button again and the beeps will return. Perfect for quiet nights or noise-free control. Self-clean. Want your AC to stay clean and fresh inside? That's what self-clean mode is for. It dries up moisture inside the indoor unit by running the fan at full speed, helping prevent mold and bacteria build-up. Cleaner coils means better performance and a healthier environment. Here's how to activate it. Press and hold the sleep button for 5 seconds. You will see SC and EN flash briefly on the AC display. On the remote, SC stays on to show the mode is active. Now, press the on-off button to turn off the AC. The self-clean cycle kicks in and runs for about 1 minute. During this time, the AC display shows SC and on alternately, and your remote briefly flashes SC on. After the cleaning is done, your AC automatically switches off. During the self-clean process, your AC won't accept any remote or app commands, so just let it do its job. It's a quick and easy way to keep your AC running smoother longer. Defrost clean. Over time, dust and moisture can build up on the AC's coils, and that can affect its performance. That's where Defrost Clean comes in. It's a smart 3-step cleaning process that keeps your AC's coils fresh and efficient. Coil frosting, ice melting, coil drying. All of this helps your AC run better and last longer. Here's how to activate it. Long press the Eco button for 5 seconds. You'll see DC and EM flash on the AC display. On the remote, DC will stay on to show Defrost Clean mode is active. Then, press the on-off button to switch off the AC. The cleaning cycle begins and runs for about 30 to 35 minutes. While it's running, the AC display shows DC and on alternately, and your remote briefly shows DC on. Once the cycle is complete, the AC will shut off automatically. No extra steps needed. Quick tip: don't press any other button while Defrost Clean is running. The AC won't respond until it finishes the cycle. It's that simple, and your AC gets a fresh start every time. Display button. Need a darker room while you sleep or watch TV? Just press the display button on your remote to turn off the light on the indoor unit display. Want it back on? Press the display button again and the light comes right back. It's that simple. Now that you know how to get the most out of your AC, comfort is literally at your fingertips. Whether it's choosing the right mode, setting the perfect temperature, or saving energy smartly. Every button on your remote is designed to make your experience smoother, cooler, and more convenient all year round. So go ahead, sit back, and enjoy intelligent cooling that works around you. Blue Star, built on trust.